Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Jay and I'm here today to plan for April, the week of April 5 through 5th, the 5th through 11. Why did I go 5 through 11? The 5th through 11. Just getting ready to plan in April, and today I went out to my backyard and I put my puppies were out in the backyard and they were playing, and I looked over in the corner and I said, oh my goodness, the flowers are up. Look at the flowers. So I'm planning on trying to use these stickers, and I also saw some birds today out and about. It was a wonderful day here in Maryland, and we got up early and I went to, with my daughter, we went to get her first COVID shot. So we got up early, went to get that done. And yes, they were passing our shots on Easter Sunday. So today is Sunday. Happy Easter to everybody. Happy week after Easter. And you know what? I was talking to one of my friends, and she and I were chatting about Easter when we were a kid. And the funny part that we both, talked about was when Easter came, when Easter came around, it was always a special ritual for, most families. I know every family has their own ritual. My family, we would have gone shopping to get our Easter wear. I don't know if people still do that for the kids, to go and get their Easter wear for church on Sunday. And we would get up and go to the store, and Mommy would let us, and we would have lunch out, because we would go and have lunch out for the day of shopping. We'd eat at the here in the Maryland, D.C. area, we had a store called Woodworth's. And Woodworth's had a little lunch counter that served hot dogs and French fries and stuff like that. And that was always a special thing when we got to go to the Woolworths and get our clothes, and then we go to Woolworths and eat some lunch and talk, and Mommy would sit at the counter with us and we'd talk, and if we did everything right, we could get to look around in the store. So we, eat our lunch, and then Mommy would say, okay, we can go over to the toy department and look around there and see what we liked. And if we had any extra, sometimes we'd have birthday money or something like that we could spend. But most times we just looked. We didn't really have a lot of money and stuff. So most time we just looked and saw what was there, and was happy to be out and about and at the Woolworths. But she always let us get a piece of, the candy was cheap back then. So we always could get a little piece of candy. Like everybody could get a bar or something. We never left the Woolworth without a bar of candy on the days after we went shopping. So we go down and be shopping and everything, and we get our candy, and we'd have and the best thing about it was you got to carry your bag. I don't know if kids, it was a big deal back then that when you went shopping, if you got something, you got to carry your bag of what it was that you got. And so we would have our bag that we were carrying, and we'd have our candy, and we'd already had our nice hot dog lunch and everything like that. And I think that's why on occasion now, I still love a good hot dog. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not going to lie to you. And because I was having, these feelings today, after Janine and I got back from getting her shot, I had me a hot dog. I was like, I'm gonna get me a hot dog, because I bought this pack of hot dogs because I was having that, that feeling you get and stuff. I was gonna have it as a chili dog, but then I had it old-fashioned Woodworth way with a little, oh, that is so crooked, Jay, with a little mustard and relish. That's all I had on it, was mustard and relish. Boy, was that thing good. Now, I won't need another hot dog, because we got a small package here, and some packages you can get, I think it comes with I think it came with like 4, no, maybe 6 hot dogs, and it wasn't like the double pack, it was a small pack. And so I was like, oh my goodness, that's gonna be just perfect. That's gonna be just perfect. And so anyway, so when Easter came, because well, let me finish. You got 2 outfits, really. You got your Easter day outfit that you wore to church. And for church, you had your Easter day outfit that you wore. And you had that. And then we had to get a Easter Monday outfit. And your Easter Monday outfit was the outfit that you wore for Easter Monday, which was the Monday after Easter Sunday, because something was always planned on Easter Monday. And on Easter Monday, your family either planned a picnic at a local park. Mom would always have cooked some, chicken, some fried chicken. Oh my God, you know what? My mom could fry some chicken. Oh my goodness. I don't have that particular, I can fry a good piece of chicken, but I don't have her particular good skill at it. So Mom would fry a good piece of, good chicken. She'd make some of her potato salad, and we all put it in our picnic basket. And here in D.C., in Maryland, D.C., some families went to the zoo on Easter Monday, and some families went other places. Our place was, we would go to Meridian Park, and that's a park up in Northwest D.C. Meridian Park. And the park is still there, and I think they said they were going to go about some renovations. Now, this park had fountains. It had this one fountain. Oh my goodness. So we get our food, and we'd be all prepared for Easter Monday. And that would be your day in the park after Easter. After an Easter, and you prayed and you thank God for the resurrection, and you were so thrilled with the way things were going to be, and the way the day had turned out yesterday, and your mom was feeling pretty good, and you sang songs, and that whole day Mom would sing, and we would kind of join in while we came back to eat our Easter dinner. Mom would sing and stuff. The boys never did it, but I always, I loved to sing with Mom. And so we'd sing and everything like that. It kind of, just kind of was just a wonderful time, Easter, and Easter Monday. And the part that brought this all, to bear for me was that this weekend they had the show of Mahalia Jackson. And that was one of my mom's favorite gospel singers, Mahalia Jackson. And so we would sing and dance around the kitchen while she was getting dinner ready. And oh my goodness, was that a time? And I was saying to my daughter, that I don't know if families have times like that. And so I said to Alexa, Alexa, play me some Mahalia Jackson. And my daughter goes, come on now, Mom, with that. And I was like, I don't even know what you're talking about. You better be ready to hang out with me and sing today. And she said, Mom, And she said it like this. She said, Ma, I don't know that much about Mahalia Jackson and all that stuff. And I know you loved it and enjoyed it. And you and Grandma loved it and enjoyed it. And so she said, you know, if I'm gonna hang out with you, you're gonna have to play get somebody on there that I know of. So I said, well, girl, who you know? So she said, you know, Ma, if you could put on a little Charles Jenkins, if you can get Alexa to play a little My God is Awesome, I know that. And so I said, Alexa, play Charles Jenkins Awesome, you know, because I know that song too. So me and Janine, we started singing. And for Easter, I'm not going to sing, but I'm going to quote a couple of the words for you. It says, and I don't want to get religious or anything like that, but it's Easter. So bear with me, my friend. It says, my God is awesome. He can move mountains. He can move. See, my God is awesome. He can move mountains. You know what? See that? See how that happened? I can sing it, but I can't quote it. He can move mountains, keep me in the valley, and hide me from the rain. So you gotta, does that happen to you guys? You want to say some words or something, but your head gotta go, and then as you hum the words out, you got it. You know what, friends? You know what? I'm gonna let you go on that one because I was all ready to get into it, right? I was like, oh man, I'm gonna quote this, right? I wasn't able to quote nothing without humming. Forgive me, friends, forgive me, but that made me smile. So I'm hoping that made you smile. Be the reason somebody smiles. Have a good week, my friends. Just be happy, and if you have a chance, go and get your COVID shots. My daughter was saying she had a hard time signing up for her COVID shot, but she had noticed that when she got up in the morning at 2:00 in the morning and went to the bathroom. She came back, picked up her phone, and there were slots open. So if you go to the bathroom and in the middle of the night you're looking for a slot, tune into your place where you've been checking, and maybe they put them up at that time of the night, and you may be able to get a slot. Tip for you. Be the reason somebody smiles. Have a good week. Thank you. Smile when you think about me trying to quote some words to a song and can't even do it without humming. This is my spread for the week. I hope you all have a good week. Take care of yourselves. Love you guys. And thank you so much for being one of my subscribers. If you like what I'm doing on my channel, give me a thumbs up. If you come by and you just want to see what I'm doing, go ahead and subscribe and press that bell on the side so you can know when I upload my next video. Bye, everyone.